Hi everyone, this is Roshni from Bangalore, Roshni Boutique. So this time we are coming up with lot of time. So I know I didn't come live for a long time, but still, now this is a situation where I want you to see the casual wear. So here we are with the casual wear collections. This is the casual kurta with the sequins. So this is a morning to evening wear. As you see, it's a very smart colors. We have one more colors in this, and these are 695, 38 to 44. So this is a blue and this is a Rama green. So there's the two colors, 38 to 44 and 695. And in this we have one more work. So this is slightly different work. This is also 695, 38 to 44. This is casual wear. This is with the work little, and this is a little different sleeves, as you say. It will be very comfortable for summer as well. And this is 950, 36 to 44. This is with the handwork. So the handwork is very neat in this, and the colors are very beautiful in this. So this is 1050, and the sizes are 38 to 46. So two colors in that. These are the A-lines one. So this is with the little gold print. So this is 850, 38 to 46, and this is with the little denim kind of fabric with the work. This is again 850, 38 to 46, and this is 795, 38 to 46. So these are all A-line style with a complete casuals cotton. This is a different fabric. This is a very soft one and very light weighted with the work. So this is 1050, 38 to 46 with the two colors. This is cotton one. It's a new shades, one with the orange, one with the English color. So these are 750, 38 to 46. This is chicken curry. It's new shades again. This is a Rama green, and this is a Chiku shades with a little onion kind of, and this is 1150, but we have 40 onwards, so this is 40 to 46 size. This is one of my favorite. This is 895 only, and this is mustard yellow and the baby pink. So this we have 38 to 46, 895. So it is having a sides embroidery as well as bell sleeves also. These are the frock models. These are all ankle length style. See the adjustable one on the waist portion. So two colors in this, the same print with the tassels in the front, and this is one more shades on that. So these are 1150, 38 to 46. You can pair it with leggings also, but this you can wear it like that also. These are the anarkali ones. So this is completely ankle length kind of, 1250, 40 to 46. And this one is with a kali kind of, so printed with the knots. This we have 38 to 46 again, and this is 1250. So these are completely anarkali style. This we have frock style. So these are the frocks one. These are one of my favorite in summer wear. You can just pair it with the belts, and the colors are very beautiful. And the prints are all new in that. So this is 845, 38 to 44. So we have 38 to 44, 845. This is also an anarkali, again ankle length. This is with the black bell sleeves with embroidery. This is 1250, 38 to 46. So now I'm going to show you some sets quickly. These are different prints with the straight pants. And this is a foil print little with the sleeves. So this we have 36 onwards. This is 1450, and the sizes are 36 to 44. This is also very nice with two colors on that, and this is with the side tassels with the nice palazzos with the gota work, and this is the front work. So in these two colors, and the green also has a beautiful palazzo. So this is a gota palazzo on that. This is 1195, and the sizes are 38 to 46. This is our complete casuals office wear all time throughout the year you will get it. This is with the palazzo and with the pockets. So this is 13.95, 38 to 46. This is in chicken curry, one of my favorite again. So the colors are very beautiful, blue. This looks like a jacket, but this is the overflap only with the straight pants. So this is the straight pants. So two colors with the designer buttons. This is 2095 and 38 to 46. This is black. We hardly launch black colors, so people always ask me for the black. So this is not completely loose palazzo. This is a little straight kind of. And this is 1250, 38 to 44. This is a very soft fabric. This is a loose Garara kind of palazzo, and this is a foil print soft cotton kurta. So this is 1450 and the sizes are 38 to 46. This is with the skirt, pure cotton skirts with the kurta and the cotton dupatta. So this is 1450 and the sizes are 38 to 46. This is what I'm wearing. It's a skirt. It's a chanderi kurta with the lining and the skirt. So we have two colors with a different work. So this is one with a little leather work in the front, and this is a off-white skirt. So the skirts are also very pretty. So this is 1795, 38 to 44, and this is again also same 1795, 38 to 44. This is a cotton skirt printed, and this is a chandeni top with lining. So 38 to 44, 1795 is the price. So that's all for today. Kindly follow us on Facebook, and for retail people, please order through websites www.roshnibutiques.com. For wholesale, you can always message me. The bulk orders, the rates are different. Thank you so much.